Welcome to Glass Technology's Spectrum and Spectrum Starter training video. Glass Technology's Spectrum system comes with a complete line of diamond clear resins for all types of brakes in all types of temperatures. Prior to repairing the glass, inspect the exterior of the glass as well as the interior of the glass. Make sure the brake has not penetrated the interior layer of the glass. If the interior layer of glass has been damaged, consult your customer on the best means of replacement using an AGTI or NGA certified replacement technician. Once the glass and brake have been inspected, use the sharp end of your probe to remove any loose debris from the center of the brake. Follow this by checking the temperature of the glass. The glass should be room temperature. Utilize the low speed on your drill to create an access point at the center of the brake. Note you should only have to drill into the brake approximately a 1/16 of an inch. Once an access point has been achieved, start by adding the mirror to the inside of the glass directly over the brake. This will allow you to see the brake during the repair process. If there was any moisture in the initial inspection of the brake, utilize your dry star tool to remove any moisture from the brake. This should take approximately 30 seconds. Now it's time to set up the bridge and the injector. Start by applying a small amount of suction cup lube to the blue bridge. Follow this by inserting the Spectrum injector into the bottom of the bridge. Make sure to thread the injector completely up into the bridge. Before seating the bridge and the injector on the glass, make sure the two black leveling screws are threaded completely up into the bridge. Screw the Spectrum injector clockwise until it makes contact with the glass. Give the injector 2 additional turns so that the side chamber is now at 6 o'clock. Then twist the 2 black leveling screws down until the white seal at the end of the Spectrum injector is uniformly seated on the glass. Use your mirror while leveling. A properly aligned injector should be horizontally as well as vertically perpendicularly aligned to the glass. Once the injector is aligned properly, add 6 drops of diamond clear resin into the Spectrum side chamber. Consult your training manual for the appropriate resin used based on temperatures. Now reinsert the side chamber back into the Spectrum injector. Once the side chamber is inserted into the Spectrum injector, be sure to lock the chamber by either turning it clockwise or counterclockwise a quarter of a turn. If you are working in direct sunlight, it is important to use the UV sunshade to prevent any of the resin from curing during the repair process. Now we will start our first dry vacuum cycle. Begin by opening the air release valve and pushing the plunger down until it stops, then tightening the air release valve. This ensures that all the air has been removed from the injector chamber. Draw the plunger back approximately 2 inches and tighten the brass locking screw on the side. When the vacuum has been created, let the Spectrum injector sit on idle in the vacuum position for approximately 1 minute. While on vacuum, rotate the Spectrum injector 180 degrees so the side chamber is now at 12 o'clock. This allows the resin to drain into the repair. Let the resin drain for approximately 1 minute. Draining will be evident as the brake will slightly clear up during this portion of the process. Once the resin is drained, we are now ready to start our pressure cycle. Begin by opening and closing the air release valve. Loosen the brass locking screw on the side and push the plunger down until you feel some resistance. Tighten the locking screw to hold the plunger in place. This shows the pressure process in more detail. Apply pressure for approximately 2 minutes. This close-up shows the resin filling the repair during this pressure cycle. If all cracks don't fill, it's recommended to use the probe to flex the glass. While flexing, make sure that the blunt side of the probe is seated against the bottom of the injector. Once the brake is completely filled, you can utilize the UV curing lamp to cure the brake under pressure. You should cure under pressure for approximately 2 minutes. When curing under pressure is complete, remove the bridge and the injector from the glass. With a paper towel, clean any excess resin that may have run down the glass. Now apply a small amount of Glass Technology's Diamond Clear Pit Filler to the surface of the brake, followed by a 1-inch strip of pit tape or pit square. Return the UV curing lamp to the surface of the brake. Allow it to cure for 3 minutes. Now that the repair is cured, remove the UV curing lamp from the surface of the glass. Remove the pit square or pit tape from the surface of the glass using a razor blade and scrape the excess resin off the surface of the glass using the razor blade. Scrape it smooth. Using glass clean and a paper towel, clean the area in and around the brake. Now it's time to polish the repair. Use the pit gloss and apply a small amount to the surface of the glass. Utilize a paper towel or the pit polishing wheel that's supplied in your kit to polish the surface in and around the pit area. Thank you for watching Glass Technology's Spectrum Training video. With these tips and your practice, you will achieve the highest quality results in the industry.